You don't need to have made a New Year's resolution to understand the importance of starting early to get your garden in good state ready for the summer. And okay, it might be cold out here at the moment, but January is the perfect time to get out and garden. There are loads of jobs that need doing, not least my three most important ones, which are keeping on top of the weeds, pulling out all those annual weeds before they get a chance to carry on growing and setting more seed, because unlike other plants, they can grow right through the winter. The second most important job is to get on with all the winter pruning that needs to be done, cutting back really hardy shrubs during mild weather and shaping them up and making them look good, ready for the coming year. And then the last job is really to think about flowers, and hellebores are just coming into flower now. So take off all the old foliage to expose the new flowers so that you can see them at their best.